your background image, then press Ctrl+X to cut it. Go to Fill, then Picture or Texture Fill, then select Clipboard. Add one more shape and apply a gradient fill. Set the left side to 100% transparency, and the right side to black with 0% transparency. Add the wheel shape. Hold Shift while rotating to keep it proportional. Apply slide background fill. Change the line color to white and increase its thickness slightly. Add labels to each section of the wheel, just like in the example. Add more text and call to action button. Group all objects of the wheel.
Duplicate the slide. Rotate the wheel 90 degrees.
Change the background image. Apply the morph transition. Duplicate the slide and apply the same changes for each wheel spin. Well done.